Welcome to Crypto for Seniors, where technology meets wisdom and curiosity evolves into knowledge. Today's video is titled Crypto Under Siege, an SEC Showdown. This video is for entertainment only and not financial advice. This is based on my opinion from hours of research and documentation from the leaders of the financial community. Is the SEC guilty of domestic terrorism? Hell-bent on destroying the crypto community by dismantling it company by company. Uniswap, Ripple, XRP, Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and a host of other companies are under siege by the government bent on attacking the leaders of the crypto industry. At a minimum, they seem to focus on the disruption of decentralization with targeted surgical strikes. One publication even mentioned the potential of the SEC to actually target the general public who does business daily with these companies. No, this is not a conspiracy theory. It is, however, interesting they don't seem to be concerned about winning or losing as long as they cost the industry billions in legal fees and disrupting customers using the exchanges to move or exchange tokens. Please understand, I do believe we need some control and safeguards in the crypto world. This is where, like in the past, industry leaders sit down with government and work together for the greater good. Not the case with the SEC. I agree we have FTX and a host of other companies where greed has blinded the few, causing the many investors to pay the price. Could the SEC be the new adversary in the crypto world? An inquiry that's been brooding. Along with the swift evolution and acceptance of crypto assets, the SEC's role in this fresh digital environment grows increasingly vital, and their actions more consequential. Is the government body out to crush the budding potential of cryptocurrency until it can create and adopt its own tokenomites? Many perceive it to be more intricate than this. Perhaps the SEC is merely an organization attempting to regulate an industry that's proliferating at an alarming velocity. Many branches of our government are blinded by power to control crypto for personal gain. Does this not go against the very fabric of our country? I'm interested in what you think. Please leave me a comment with your thoughts in the comment section of this video. This query reverberates louder with each passing day. It's impracticable to disregard the fact that cryptocurrencies have become a significant part of the global financial system. Major corporations like MicroStrategies and BlackRock are investing in crypto and EFTs and accepting it, putting it on their balance sheets. It's no longer a fringe industry. It's penetrating mainstream finance, and the SEC is striving to keep pace because as of yet, they don't realize decentralization is not something they can control. This gives power to the people, which concerns our government. Publications haven't been silent on this issue. The New York Times, in an article titled SEC's crackdown on cryptocurrencies stirs controversy, commented on the increasingly aggressive stance from the SEC and highlighted the potential impact on the industry. Similarly, the Wall Street Journal ran a piece entitled SEC Targets Ripple and Uniswap, Shaking Up the Crypto World, noting that the SEC's actions have sent shockwaves through the industry. Quotes from these articles paint a picture of an industry in flux, grappling with regulatory challenges. This regulatory body's role is not insignificant in the evolution of finance and money. Consider the recent actions taken by the SEC against prominent players in the crypto space. Ripple, a major blockchain company, found itself facing a lawsuit from the SEC that alleged its XRP token is a security, not a crypto asset as defined by the IRS. This news had a substantial effect on the crypto community, as major exchanges like Coinbase and Kraken delisted XRP, causing its worth to drop dramatically. In addition to Ripple, there's Uniswap, a decentralized exchange based in Brooklyn. The SEC issued them a Wells notice, indicating its intention to sue the exchange. The ensuing impact was palpable. It caused Uniswap's token price to dip by over 20%. Other major crypto exchanges are also feeling the SEC's scrutiny. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, is under the SEC's lens. Major print media has widely covered the SEC's involvement with these companies. For instance, Bloomberg ran the headline, "Binance under investigation by SEC," underscoring the seriousness of the situation. These actions have created a tense atmosphere among crypto industry operators. However, as resilient as the crypto world is, it's time for unity and cooperation. Time for the industry leaders to come together, circle the wagons, and present the SEC with viable answers and solutions. As The Economist advises in its article, crypto's regulatory challenge, transparency, compliance, and a willingness to work with regulators instead of against them could be the way forward. The promising future of crypto assets may depend on facing these challenges head-on, marking the start of a new chapter in the crypto world. In conclusion, the SEC's actions against Ripple, Uniswap, Coinbase, Kraken, and Binance have stirred up the crypto community. The reverberations of these actions have been felt far and wide, creating a significant wave of uncertainty and apprehension. This is felt outside the United States in places where Bitcoin has replaced the failed local currency. This high-profile scrutiny of the major players in the crypto world has caught attention both domestically and internationally. The SEC's growing interest in this digital realm has sparked dialogues and debates about the future of the crypto industry, both within and outside the crypto community. Several print media sources have been echoing this sentiment of uncertainty. Letters to the editor, published in various newspapers and magazines, have also expressed the crypto community's concerns. One such letter in The Economist, written by a crypto enthusiast, emphasized the sudden change in the regulatory environment. The letter called for unity and resilience among the community members, highlighting that it's not a time for fear, but for standing together. Indeed, the rigorous scrutiny from SEC has definitely given rise to fears within the crypto community. An op-ed in the New York Times titled "The SEC's Crypto Clampdown" provided a comprehensive overview of the situation. It highlighted how the government body is taking a more aggressive stance towards crypto, and it is not intending to slow down anytime soon. Amidst these challenges, there's also a stirring call for unity and proactive measures within the community. An opinion piece in Bloomberg titled "Crypto Community Needs to Stand United" emphasized the need for strategic approaches and engaging in dialogues with regulatory bodies. It also highlighted the necessity for the community to understand the concerns of these bodies and work towards solutions that address them, while also preserving the innovative spirit of the crypto industry. The need of the hour is proactive measures to ensure the survival and growth of the crypto space. Clearly, in the face of FTX and other bad actors, something has to change. However, it is not the role of government to attack private industry for personal or profit gains. This video is not an attempt to provide definitive answers. Instead, it's an attempt to foster conversation, to inspire collaborative efforts, and to rally support crypto community. It's a call to action for the community to come together, discuss the issues at hand, and work towards a common goal. So, what are your thoughts on the SEC's actions? I would like to know your perspective and your ideas on how to navigate these challenging times. We believe that every voice matters and every opinion can contribute to shaping the future of the crypto space. So do share them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel.